If you find yourself unable to access your SoundCloud account because you no longer have access to your email, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the SoundCloud login page. Go to the SoundCloud website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your account details. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your username or phone number. Since you don't have access to your email, enter your SoundCloud username or the phone number associated with your account. This will help SoundCloud identify your account. Step 4. Follow the instructions sent to your phone. If your phone number is linked to your account, you will receive a text message with instructions to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the message to create a new password. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login page and enter your username and new password to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to SoundCloud support for further assistance.